Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. This video is very before starting that, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any of my videos. So yeah, let's get started. At first take some old bangles and glue and just stick one by one. Follow the steps guys, it's so much easier. I have used here, I will mention on the screen and on the description box. To check it out, and every products I have bought from local market you also will get, so don't worry, just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay, so our bangle is ready and it's beautiful, right? So don't throw your old bangles. Make for today guys. I hope you have liked this video, and if you really like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.